Here's the risk of letting the internet be your teen's financial advisor. Imagine your teen having to navigate the complex world of finances only armed with tips from the latest viral videos. Let me tell you, the internet has so many voices, it can really be confusing and you're become really curious on who should I actually be listening to, right? Because the advice it can range from harmless to downright risky money advice. And so the stakes are high. That's what I want you to understand. Misinformation can lead to poor financial habits, unrealistic expectations, and worse, it can allow our kids to fall into debt and that can follow them into adulthood. And so it's not just about saving money. I really want to make sure that your teen is cultivating that mindset that values informed decision making and long term planning. Long term planning can be something we completely throw out of the window when we are living in this microwave society where literally you can press a button on your phone and the food arrives in 15 minutes. Or you press a couple of buttons on your phone and a package arrives the very next day. So, my question to you is, can we afford to let our kids' financial education be shaped by unreliable social media trends? Let's take a step towards ensuring your teens' financial mentors are actually credible and that they are receiving sound financial advice. All right. Join me at one of our parent information sessions so you can learn more about empowering your teen with the financial wisdom that they deserve. I want you to click on the link below to select a date so that we can learn more. We're going to be talking about our future millionaire money camp for teens, and I want to see you there.